So welcome now. Let's take a look at our euro pairs for the week. First of all, we'll be looking at our euro index for the week now. As you can see on our daily time frame, we'll be looking at it from our daily time frame. I've just highlighted this key area here, which is our resistance, and I've also highlighted this down here, which will be taken as our support. But first of all, as you can see on a long trend, if you are to look at the trend itself, you will see that we are on a fall. Like we saw this fall, right? And we can now take this key area here as a pullback. Since then, our price has actually been ranging around this area here. We can see we've had it for a pullback, right? We have to continue to go down more, right? But first of all, our price is still ranging, by the way. So in case we actually get a breakout, by the way, we are actually aiming for this key area here for our price to actually hit our area here, then reverse or continue to break below. Above all, our euro will be falling. So now let's take a look at it on this our ranging point of view where our price is actually ranging. You can see that our euro is actually ranging around this area here. So definitely we would want to be having a drop on our euro around this area. That should be giving us about 130 pips. That is actually good for the week. Then we can now see a reversal, which our price will actually push up again. We are still going to be ranging with our euro pair. One rule about trading is trade what you see and not what you think. So what we are seeing is that our price is actually falling down. We would want it to fall to our support level before we can actually take our buy straight to our resistance. So now that we are having a fall on our euro, any pair we are trading current to our euro should actually be going bullish. Now let's see on our euro Swiss franc. As you can see, the long trend is actually falling, right? So I'll leave that, but let's mark the current trend around this ranging key area here, right? I'll be highlighting here where our price has fallen and we got this retracement, but since then our price has been ranging. Now I will also be taking here as our support area key level here. So I would definitely want our price to still drop, by the way, to take out this our liquidity key area here. You see this liquidity area where our price, our lowest low here, the lowest points, you can sit around this large wick on our daily time frame. The lowest wick here, we would want our euro to actually fall to hit it before we can possibly see a bullish move upward, which we might want to be seen on our euro index before we might possibly see a bullish move on our euro index. Thereby it will also affect our euro to our Swiss franc, whereby we'll be seeing a bullish move on our euro Swiss franc. So on daily time frame, we are still aiming to go bearish. One thing on our 4-hour time frame, we can still see it, we are still on a bearish trend, still downward trend. So let us still short it before we can actually take a buy on our euro Swiss franc. Next one is our euro New Zealand. I'll be marking here, if you can see trend line on our against euro New Zealand, we are still on an uptrend on our euro New Zealand. I'll be taking here as another key level here area here, whereby we are waiting for our price to actually break out, by the way, soon or very soon. Our New Zealand has actually been bearish against our euro, so we are actually trending uptrend here. So definitely before I'd suggest you take a buy, I'll say when our price breaks above this key level area here, our highest points here, you can see this week here. If our price can manage to break above it, then I'll say it is actually a good opportunity to take your buy position. If not, let's see. If it does not happen, then there's every possibility that our price will drop, but it will drop to this area here, another key level area here we would want to be marking, which is about 1.635. So possibly our price comes here, test this area again. I believe our price will come here, test this area again, then a bullish move upward as we are on an uptrend move on our euro New Zealand. So I'll expect my price euro to fall. Since we are expecting a fall on our euro should actually fall. test this area here and push up on our Euro New Zealand. That is exactly what we should be watching out for. Now on our EURCAD, same thing now, since we are having a fall on our euro, definitely there's no need for us to actually wait for our price to go bullish. We should actually be aiming for a fall. So definitely I would be highlighting here as our support area here. You can see our price actually ranging. So I will want my euro to fall, hit this my support area before I can consider taking a buy on our euro card. So that should be giving us about 190 pips to grab. That is actually still good amount of pips to grab for the week. 190 pips. Note that this price is very volatile. You can even grab more, possibly 100 and possibly 200 pips if you have to go down a little bit. So we have about 190 to 200 pips to grab on our euro card. Now on our 4-hour time frame, as you can see, price is rejecting here multiple times, failing to break above, right, to hit this our main point here, which is our resistance level here. Price does not want to break above it, so it keeps pushing down. So we would want a fall to this our support area here before we can consider taking a buy on our euro card, as we are aiming for our euro index, where our index will be falling before we aim to go buy. So definitely you should be seeing it a fall before you can aim to go bullish. Now on our EURAUD, I've still seen it like that type of the movement like that of Euro New Zealand, whereby we are expecting our price to actually drop. I'll be expecting my price to drop, then a bullish move on my euro odd. By the way, I'm expecting it to drop. And one thing is that when we analyze our odd against our USD, we are seeing that our odd tends to go bullish. And if you are to is indicating that our odd will be going bullish. If you are to compare our odd to other price correlation pairs, you will see that our odd is trying to go bullish. So that is why I said, since our odd will be going bullish and we are expecting a drop on our euro, then we should be seeing that drop on our euro, possibly to even this key area level here. You can even see that drop to this area here. That's, yes, that good amount of drop. Yes, you can actually see that drop to hit this area here before you can consider going bullish, because I see that our odd will be going bullish and we are expecting a drop on our euro. So we should be expecting this phase as a key area here where our odd will possibly be dropping to before going up on our euro odd. So that is my analysis for the week. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. Thank you.